Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter of 2014 Toyota Corolla. This will go up to the model year 2018. You're going to find the air box right in here. This is the part number for the engine air filter right here. Got it from Toyota. And here's what it's going to look like right here. So you won't need any tools to do this. You're just going to undo two clips and a small engine harness. So right here in the back, you'll undo this one clip. Over here on the right side, you got one more clip. We'll undo that. And right here on the engine harness, you're just gonna lift up here and kind of let this hang down right here. Don't worry about undoing this or the connector. Next, you're just gonna grab the airbox like this, pull it off the hinges here, and you'll be able to slide engine air filter out. Now, just one thing to notice, the new engine air filter will also have the same stamping here. Place these letters facing up, so don't flip it upside down like this. You'll also see on the underside, you'll see a kind of groove on the inside. So that's to let you know that's the downside. Side with the letters and the words, that's facing up like that. All right, now we just lift up the airbox again, slide this in, make sure it fits into the grooves. And you just want to make sure you fit the hinges here first, face back, and kind of hold this down with your hand so you can put the clips back in. Then you just do the clip in the back. Clip in the engine harness and you're all done. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I'll have a link right here on the top left corner for additional Corolla maintenance on this same car. If you learned something or if I helped you save some money, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.